Okay, so today we are in one of my favorite nature park in Singapore. It's the Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. I absolutely love this place because of its lush green surroundings and of course because of its height. So this park is great if you are looking for a quick hike, and also if you are interested in mountain biking. It has some of the very nice and challenging trails for the mountain bikers. So as you can see that we are entering into the dense forested area, and very soon after we will enter into kind of a muddy trail. This part is the mountain bike trail. Here you are not supposed to hike. So now I am entering into the trail that will lead me to the summit. So while hiking I will try to capture some interesting shots. Let's see how it turns out to be. I believe I can see a lot of flora and fauna. Now I will try to get some. What I'm doing here is just Climb will get more and more, so I'll be out of my breath very soon. I'm already out of my breath. More and more incline, even more. This is the beauty of Singapore. See, we are in a dense forested area, but lurking through the woods you can actually see glimpse of a condo. This, my friend, is known as urban forest. This trail may not be that popular among tourists because at the end of the day it's just a trail, but I would say that it's very much common among the locals or the expats living here. Last few steps for summit. I have finally reached the summit. It's just 163 meters, but it feels a lot when you are in the tropics. You are just sweating like anything. On my way back, I'm taking the shortcut route. I don't feel like going back to dairy farm exit. The Bukit Timah exit is far more easier as it's all the way down. So in the foothills there is a very nice colonial bungalow. You see in my back, so it's actually the visitor center. So overall it was a nice hike. Just if someone wants to actually complete this hike, he or she can do it in a matter of 1 hour.